Welcome to the new segment of the grade 7th. We are discussing the history chapter, that is third chapter, the Delhi Sultans or the Delhi Sultans. So we are came to the last part of this chapter, that is elsewhere. So in a previous we had discussed about how the five Hindu dynasty to the two Islam dynasties, they are controlled and ruled Delhi and developed a different economical, political and social implementation has done by them, and architecture also is implemented by them. So many aspects, and as well as so many social uh, development, agriculture development has done by a different Delhi rulers. So we are understood the army also in a differentiation in between the Khiljis and Tughlaqs. Here the elsewhere in other in another part of the world, here they are given the three orders: the peace of God knights and the crusades. And here the idea of the three order, the first was formed in a France. So it was in a France in a 11th century. So society has divided into three classes, or the three categorized. One is who people who is praying, who was prayed, and second one is the people those who fought, and third one is the who tilled the land. See here, the one is social caste, one is the prayed, second one is a fought, third one is a tilled land. So these three categorization, three classes of the society, they are known as a three orders, that it was supported by the church, that is lastly consolidated. They are ruled by a people, that is dominate the society. This is help to the emerge of a new warrior group called as a knights. So here in the France, the group of people, that is they are divided into three categorization, that to make the emergency, that is who are not supporting the such a three classes, the another one new society has emerged in the France, that is known as knights. So what happened in those days in the 11th century in France? So these church group of used themselves to the propagate their ideas of peace of God, means they are forcing those people to attempt their rules and regulations, what they are did. The directly warrior, they are started the conflict in between that three groups, three orders, and as well as knights. So these campaigns in themselves, they are send them instead on the campaigns against the Muslims who had captured the city of Jerusalem. So these Muslims warriors, Muslims people, they are captured their place, it is called as a Jerusalem. So this lead a series of campaigns called as a crusades. So here the what they are campaign has done, no, those are known as a crusades. So these campaigns in the service of the God and the Christ completely against the status of these knights. So originally these knights did not belonging to any class of the noblest. Those days they are the divided into the three different categorization of the classes: high class, middle class, and a low class. And the upon them a noblest classes they are the made actually. So those knights, they are the not belonging to the any noblest classes. The by the end of these 11th century, in the 11th century, these knights are not given that much importance. They are the forgotten. In the 18 in sorry in the 19th, in 11th century, the France and later on in Germany also, they are the forgotten about these fight of knights. So how the days are the past, and in a 12th century, the noblest, the people who are the noble persons or the high class persons or the people in that century, they wanted to call themselves as a knights. So here we can understand about the fight of the ordinary persons to get any kind of demands to fulfill by a noblest persons. They will make themselves as a separate warrior. So in a coming days also we are understanding about different categorization in 7th chapter and 8th chapter, by the ordinary people, how they are the changed themselves. So here today's for reference you can refer a 7th grade history textbook. Thank you.